Well, very good morning to one and all from the Leisure Matters complex here in Eversley. We are actually currently in the what we like to call the lecture room, which unfortunately is sort of doubling as a tea room at the moment. And this is where we do all the air rifle courses, hence all the posters and so forth on the walls. So we do actually have a laser tag party in this morning, so it's a little bit noisy because we've got the generator running outside. And what I wanted to do was bring you up to date with the latest developments on our target boxes that I showed you a week or three ago. We have now got a final design, and we have in fact made up another 5 or 6 in plywood. But right now what I'm going to do is take our a test bed, if you like, that you saw the other week down to the range, and just to give it a final test I'm going to shoot some pellets at it from my 35 foot-pound Daystate. Now that's a firearm certificate air rifle, 3 times at least more powerful than what we're actually going to be shooting at it, so it'll be a really good test. So stay tuned and I'll join you down on the range. Okay, well, I'm down on the 22-meter range now, and as you can see I've placed the prototype box down at the sharp end, as it were. Now what I found is I've cut this box down since you last saw it, and I found that 85 millimeters of fill, that's about that much there, is enough to stop a sub 12 foot-pound 2.2 pellet. So just as a belt and braces, what I'm going to do now is fire a few shots into it from my 2.2 Daystate, which is a 35 foot-pound gun. That's an FAC rated air rifle, just to see if it's capable of stopping that. And if it does, obviously we'll have no problems here with whatever we choose to shoot at it. Okay, so stick with me. I'll just go up and set the Daystate up, and we'll get some scope cam footage to show you what's going on this end. All right. Right, so this is my my Daystate Pulsar 2.2 35 foot-pound. Now I've put my one of my PARD 7s on the back there, just to give you a bird's eye view of what's going on down that end, just to make it a little bit more interesting. So I'm going to load up and fire maybe 10 shots and see what effect that has. Hopefully they're not going to be pinging out the back of that target box, but we'll see. So there we have it. That's 10 shots from the Daystate, and I think you can see from that scope cam footage just how accurate a PCP can be. That's 10 shots virtually through the same hole at 22 meters, and it will do that at 40 or 50 whatever you choose, pretty much, as long as you've got the sight set up correctly. So let's wander down there and see, hopefully, whether or not that's penetrated the back of the box. Now, excellent. So 85 millimeters of fill there is enough to stop not only a sub 12 foot-pound rifle, but a 35 foot-pound rifle as well. And you can see up close just how accurate that is, all through the same hole, 10 shots at 22 meters. So there you go. Now based on that, we're going to finish off the remaining boxes all to that spec. I think I'm going to line the top of the closing panel here. That's just there to protect the clip that's holding the target, but I think on the production ones I'll probably put a steel plate across there just to protect it a bit. So there you go. So if you want any more details on these overall dimensions and what have you, ping me a line and I'll send you the plans, okay, and you can make one for yourself. Alrighty, okay. It's Doug Boyce signing off at Leisure Matters. Have a good day.